Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your ExpressVPN subscription. So go ahead and click the burger menu in the upper left hand side of the ExpressVPN app. Go to options, then click on accounts and click on manage your subscription. It's going to open up your browser, and of course you want to go ahead and enter your email address. You will have a password that is given to you. This could be something that was generated or something that you actually set yourself. Once you sign up for the ExpressVPN, they will give you a code, and also they will also ask you if you would like to change this to something of your choice. It's really up to you what you did then, but you'll have that password and you want to use that to sign in. Now, once you sign in, right, you will have the option next to go ahead and enter the verification code, right? And that verification code is something that will be sent to your email. So what you want to do, just go ahead and check your email afterwards to see if you receive any verification code. Check your email. In my case, I get a verification code here, so I'm going to copy this verification code and just enter it here and click and continue. Now, in case you notice that it's invalid, just go ahead and just check to see if you receive a separate one. Right, in my case there might be two of them. As you can see here, it's a new one, so I'm going to enter this new code. So this must be the one that's going to work, and you will see that it works. Yeah, there it is. So it takes you in, guys, into your ExpressVPN, and here, in order to basically cancel your subscription, you want to go ahead and go towards the left hand side to where you can find those subscriptions. So here you can see that you have subscription. You can click on the left hand side and you will be able to see your subscription when it's in. So here you can see the subscription details, and all you have to do is just simply click and cancel. So once you click and cancel, you will see it says please wait, and there you have it. It says that your free trial is now cancelled, and they basically tell you that they're sorry, right? And it says that you will not be billed for the subscription, and you may continue to use the ExpressVPN until the end of the free trial, which in my case it on the 28th of March. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and cancel your ExpressVPN subscription. So if you are ever in need of trying out ExpressVPN, go ahead and try it out. You will get a free trial that you can basically start with, and they will not charge you, they will not bill you. You get the opportunity to actually try to use the application for free for a couple of days, and if you like it, you can continue to use it, pay for the subscription, and if you're not, then at least you get the opportunity to try it for free for a couple of days. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.